lights. We were in Vic and drove down here thinking it was the Northern Lights. And as we got closer, it was a volcanic eruption. And it's like the coolest thing I've seen in my whole life, honestly.
It's very cool. At first I was a little scared. I was like, is this safe? But yeah, seeing it up close.
Yeah, and it's really nice out here with everybody just watching it.
Yeah, it's actually very beautiful to look at, but yeah.
We've never seen anything like that before.
Yeah, we don't have stuff like this happening in the US.
It was very random, honestly, because we didn't know that it's happening. And out of the blue, like our friend here, like from Iceland, he's telling us there's like an eruption. So we were like, okay, let's go quickly.
Across continents, one powerful news source.
Bringing you diverse perspectives on the issues that matter.
We go beyond the boundaries to give you that little extra about every sporting moment. So thank you for making Firstpost 5 million strong. We're counting on your support, and you can trust us to bring you the news unfiltered and unvarnished.
Climate change is on our doorstep. It's time for a revolution to take root. And it starts with 1.4 billion Indians. It starts with one tree for humanity, one tree for Mother Earth, one tree for our future. Project One Tree, a News 18 network initiative.
Hello and welcome to Firstpost America. I'm Eric Ham, coming to you live from the nation's capital.